Namaste everyone. Welcome in Yoga in Snow. So here will go some practice in the snow. Take the hands up, finger lock, stretching your arms, your spine, and just bend your left side, center, bend on the right side. Come back, just relax your hips. Another one hand on the knee, one hand up, inhale, lift arm and then bend. Come back, relax the another side. Come back, relax hips. The hands back, lift your spine, chest front. Hands on the knee, squeeze. Hands back, the finger lock, lift your spine. Come back and then bend forward. Come back, the hands on the knee, please. Fine, on the side. Hands behind hip, lift spine again. Lift your hip. Come back. Keep the legs straight. Bend the one leg. Keep the hands up. Bend forward. Come back. Relax hands. Cross the leg. Just go for the twist. Come back. Just relax. Same other side. Both hands up. Bend forward. Both hands up. Relax hands. Over the twist. Just come back. The legs. Open shoulder. Lift your hip. The hip and then squeeze. Lift the legs up. The hands up. And then relax. The line down. The one leg up. Pull the leg. Pull your leg. You can try to touch your leg. Then the relax. Same other side. Pull the leg. Pull the leg. Touch your leg. And then relax. The both legs bend. The bridge pose. You can go for the shoulder stand. Go for the plow pose. Relax hands. Go for the chest. Lift the chest. Come back. The hands up. Finger lock. The bow pose. Take the half locust pose, hands under hip. And then relax. Come in the child. Relax. Come in the downward dog. Take the one leg. Drop knee. Hands up. Relax hands, the leg back, the play chaturanga, upward, downward, the right leg, the knee, hands up. Relax hand, leg back again, the left leg, hands on the back. Come back. Relax hand, plank, chaturanga, upward, downward. With the right leg, drop the knee, hands on the back, open shoulder, push your hip, come back. Relax your hands, leg back, chaturanga, upward and downward. With the left leg, drop the knee, hands behind hip, spine straight, open shoulder. Come back. The leg back, chaturanga, upward, downward. The right leg, drop knee, finger lock, the spine straight. Come back. Just the relaxed hand, leg back, chaturanga, upward, downward. Take the left leg, drop the knee, on the hand, and the knee. Flex the hand, leg back, chaturanga, upward, downward. The right leg, drop knee, your hands, the same, other side. The left hand front, leg back, chaturanga, upward, downward. The left leg to the right foot, hands up. Relax hands, leg back, chaturanga, upward and down. The right leg to the left foot, hands up. Relax hand, leg back, chaturanga, upward, downward. With the left leg to the right foot, hands on the back. Relax hand, leg back, chaturanga, upward, downward. Right leg, hands on the back. Flex the hand, leg back, chaturanga, upward, downward. With the left leg, the right foot, finger lock, the spine straight, open shoulder. Come back. The leg back, chaturanga, upward dog, downward dog. The right leg, the left foot, hands on the back, one shoulder, arch back. Leg back, chaturanga, upward dog, downward dog. The left leg, the right foot on the hands on the chest. Relax hand, leg back, chaturanga, upward and downward. Take the right leg to the left foot, hands up. Hands down, leg back, chaturanga, upward dog and downward dog. Take the left leg up, coming the peas in, bend forward, the leg back, downward, take the right leg up, coming the peas in, the bend forward, the downward, plank, chaturanga, upward dog, and then downward dog. Again, cat pose. Lift the tailbone, look up, and then squeeze, look up in your midline. In the sitting pose, stand on the knee, hands on the back, arch back. Come back. Hands on the knee and relax. Grab your ankles, open shoulder, and arch. Come back. Hands on the knee and relax. So these are some quick exercise. You can practice this now and enjoy yourself. Thank you. Namaste.